targeted by members of ISIS and other jihadist groups for years. The suspects behind the latest plot will stand trial in Jordan. A university suspends all 14 fraternities in the wake of a college student's death.
They have the same thoughts about being in vehicles as we do. Like, let's get out of this shit. It's about to become a bullet sponge.
Well, and those vehicles were stuck. They were all stuck. In hindsight, there were.
God.
Country, we find ourselves in a unique position right now, right? So many Republicans are trying to mask this individual in order to challenge the whistleblower's motivations. At the same time, we've had a parade of witnesses who have cooperated.
Hey, dude. Shit. Fuck. I was just in an accident.
Are you okay?
My knees.
I'm like, yeah, I'm looking at that. Like, yeah, I'm so sorry about that. That was so. Really, you couldn't remember which room was. All having a day, bro. Yeah, I was fucked up. No, 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 no. Oh. Bro, are you okay? Did that?
to have to present their tax returns while doing so, but that's not a requirement. And so the question now is, should that be forced upon by a state investigation, which I think is really significant here, where we don't have that requirement. I mean, what the White House, what the president's lawyers are saying is, not only can you not indict, you can't even investigate during
You get your podcast on Spotify. Dear Hank and John is supported by Wednesday Books, publishers of Waiting John by Raymond. #1 New York Times bestseller and eagerly awaited sequel to Carry On. This book is for anyone who has ever wondered.
108 was $6,999. Sale price just $4,999. Trade Centre UK. Junction. Up to £2,000 of every single car. The January sale event is on now.
Are you okay? Babe. Oh my God.
You come from, where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye?
Asian country. Did you ever see that We Are the Millers or something like that? We're the Millers. What the? Oh my!
A giant ball of flame back there.
I know.
What the?
What just happened?